Good morning guys, I'm here at Country Avenue Station, as you've just seen. I'm waiting for, I expect 6 Quebec 01, so that should be a rail grinder. I think it's only the pair, just a double-headed, that's it, but we'll see, as I think there are only 4 and they are all the Network Rail Pride logo liveried, what's it called, machines owned by Network Rail. I believe this is operated by Colas Rail for some reason. I mean, they are on the track machine side, as they've got loads of tampers, stone ballast wagons. Well, I think that's GBRF for Network Rail. But yeah, so hopefully it should be coming through here very soon, and I'll see you guys when it does come through.